Zambia's leadership has long been shaped by the military dating back to the 1975 Mugagawa Declaration, where Liberation War commanders first asserted their political influence. Post-independence, every major leadership transition, including Mugabe's fall, bore the fingerprints of the military. Sanapinda mashoko vanhu panapa pakudzokera back vachiti zviitiko nyika yeZimbabwe, even issues of succession that are being determined in the military. And now people vari kutotarisira kuti panguva ino yatiri kuona the Mnangagwa dynasty, panguva ino payakuda kuteka place, people they are looking back to the military kuti take action, don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Today is the question of Mnangagwa's succession looms large and with factionalism rife inside the ruling party. The military's grip on political outcomes is once again being tested. However, the deaths of veterans like Mandela suggest that old guard is being systematically dismantled either through natural attrition, covert assassinations, or a mix of both. Among the notable deaths include General Trust Mugova, Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga, Air Marshal Elson Moyo, General Sibusiso Moyo, General Baraza Simonti, and Ruben Mulawuzi. The sheer number of fatalities among key military figures raises a specter of an internal power struggles as Zimbabwe's battle for succession intensifies. Ndomashikombera nyuko panapa panachita aiwa panapa tunyazo kuoneka kuti the Zimbabwean leadership panguva ino iri kushepwa the military, but at the same time ichishepwa the military kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa kuri kurasikirwa neupenyu nemamilitary generals akawanda. Right now people they are mourning the Air Force of Zimbabwe Vice Marshal Winnie Mandela ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa over again muma circumstances asiri kunyasa kuzivikanwa. Panguva ino vanhu vari kuona kuti right now titori mune crisis yesuccession 2028 nenhau ye2030. Panguva ino people they are also looking kuti kumilitary kugona kutoitika something again pamusoro pema-issues esuccession munyika yeZimbabwe. Kutidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Kune comment section medu dzamafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.